Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to unlock a Blackberry in just a couple of minutes. So this is a Blackberry Curve 8520, and the first thing you're gonna have to do is get your email number, and you will do this pressing star palm 06 palm. And there you go. You get a 15-digit number, and you're gonna need this in a couple of minutes. So the next thing you have to do is go to easyunlocks.com, and then you're gonna have to fill in some information here. So the first thing you have to fill in is your original service provider. In this case it's Guatemala. I'm gonna look for it, and it's Guatemala and Claro. So it's a Blackberry. The model number is 8520, and then you're gonna have to put that email number. So it's 35538040478. Then enter your name and the email address you're gonna receive the code. Okay, so you just hit next, and after you complete your payment, you're gonna go to your email, and you're gonna see an email just like this, and you will receive a code, which I'm gonna show you how you're gonna put it in your phone. So you have to go to the main menu, go into options, and select advanced options, then go into SIM card, and then you're gonna press Alt MEP 2, and you're gonna insert the code you just received in your email, and I put it in here. So it's 69050964871. And there you go, code accepted, and now your Blackberry is unlocked to use worldwide. Thanks.